Welcome to the Riverdale Barn. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to hook up the dishwasher. So it's a portable dishwasher, pretty simple. First thing you want to do is just get the hot water going. And then you can slide the dishwasher right over. Okay, we got hot water. So you're going to take the cord out of the back for the water, and you're just going to slide it out. This piece pushes down and it latches right on like that. And then the electrical cable is right here. I'm going to plug the cord in. I'm going to have to scoot the dishwasher over there just a little bit. It's kind of short. Plug it in there. Make sure you turn your water on. You can test the water by pushing this red button right here. And there you can see the water's on, which is what the dishwasher needs, and it's nice and hot. Then you can come right on over, and it's already set for a light load, but you can check select whatever load type you want, and hit start. Close the door, and they're clean in about 48 minutes. Hope that helps. Thanks.